Hey boomers, let's talk about cigar boxes for a minute. Now you don't have to smoke cigars to have cigar boxes. You can find them at flea markets. They're awesome for storage. And if you're smart, you label them so you can keep track of the contents. See, I keep my drill bits, my reamer bits, borer bits in cigar boxes. They're very handy for storage. They're very handy for small parts, delicate tools. I have a small scale that I use for the disc golf discs, uh, small calipers, cigar boxes. Look them up. You pick them up for maybe $5 a piece. Yard sales, flea markets. Keep it in mind. Cigar boxes.